Alright, on the next couple slides we have some pages that look like this, and it's just a little combining like terms review. It's just like it's a climbing tower assignment. So it's kind of different, a little bit fun. So in order to do this, we are just going to start at the base and we're going to combine like terms. So for example, we're going to combine this box with this box. It's going to give us the answer to this box. Then you'll combine these two boxes to give you the answer to that box. You'll combine those two terms, or those two boxes to give you the answer to this box. And these two boxes to give you the answer to that box. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I'm going to do an example for you. I'll do this sheet for you, and then you'll have two to do on your own. You might need some scratch paper. Alright, so here I have 2x minus 3. Then I'm going to combine that with negative x plus 8. Alright, I'm going to combine these two terms together to get the answer to this box. Alright, so my like terms here are the 2x and the negative x. I'm just going to put a square around those. And then my other like terms are my numbers, so I have a negative 3 and a positive 8. So if I combine a positive 2x and a negative x, I end up with a single x. And then if I combine a negative 3 with a positive 8, I get a positive 5. So then I'll write my answer in here. You can just insert a text box for that. Sorry, I've got something I need to do on the computer. There we go. Alright, and then now we need to get our answer for this box. So I'm going to combine these two boxes. So there'll be negative x plus 8 plus 2x plus 4. Alright, so these two combined will give me the answer to this box. Alright, so a negative x and a 2x are like terms. And then a positive 8 and a positive 4 are like terms. So I can add those up and I get negative x plus 2x is just a positive x, and then an 8 plus 4 is a positive 12, so I have x plus 12. Alright, then we're going to move along. So next I have 2x plus 4 and an x, so a positive x minus, minus 3. Alright, so I'm just adding these two basically together. Alright, so I have 2x plus x gives me a 3x, and a positive 4 and a negative 3. This gives me a plus 1, so I have 3x plus 1 in this box. Alright, we're going to move over one more time. I've got an x minus 3, and I'm going to combine that with a 5 minus a 2x. So my 5 is a positive number, so I have a plus there. Here my x was negative, so I just have a negative sign there. Okay, so my like terms is an x and a negative 2x, a negative 3 and a positive 5. X and a negative 2x give me a negative x, and a negative 3 and a positive 5 are going to give me a positive 2. So I have negative x plus 2. Alright, then I'm going to go up a notch. You guys are just watching this, just a reminder. We're just watching this to learn how to do the problems on the next two slides. So I'm going to combine these two to give me this box, these two boxes to give me this box, and these two boxes to give me that box. So I have x plus 5 and an x plus 12. Alright, so I have two positive x's, positive 5 and a positive 12. So that gives me a 2x plus 17. Alright, then over here I have x plus 12, and I'm going to combine that with a 3x plus 1. It's a positive 3x, so I have a positive sign there. And that gives me x plus 3x equals 4x. And then a positive 12 and a positive 1 gives me a positive 13. So I have 4x plus 13. Okay, then here I'm going to combine these two boxes. I have a 3x plus 1 and a negative x plus 2. Combine those together. 3x and a negative x are my like terms. That'll give me a positive 2x. And a positive 1 and a positive 2 will give me a positive 3. So this box is 2x plus 3. Okay, moving on down. A clean sheet of paper here. Okay, so these two boxes will give me this answer. These two boxes will give me this answer. We're almost there. I have a 2x plus 17. I'm going to combine that with a 4x plus 13. Those are my like terms. Remember, like terms have variables to the same power, so they both have an x, and they're both to the power of 1, right? And then numbers are like terms. So 2x plus 4x is 6x. 17 plus 13 is 30. Okay, here we have a 4x plus 13 and a 2x plus 3. So my 4x and my positive 2x are like terms. Notice how I include the sign in my like terms. Very important to include that sign, the sign before the number. So I have a 4x and a positive 2x, gives me 6 x's. And 13 and a 3, positive 3, gives me 16. Alright, we're almost to the top of our tower. Almost made it. Flip that. Okay. Alright, so now I just have my last problem is 6x plus 30. I'm going to combine that with 6x plus 16. Okay, this is pretty easy. To spot my like terms, I have two 6x's, and I have a 30 and a 16. Everything's positive. So 6x plus 6x is 12x, and 30 plus 16 is 46. I put that right there. There we go. I've built my tower. Not too hard. So you guys are going to do this on the next two slides. Just to review combining like terms.